says true crime, comma, creator.
Let's see.
This is the main channel.
Angela said block. Wait. Yes.
Talking about trolls coming in the chat.
Did you notice that? Oh no.
Oh no! Like, how does this happen? Like, physically. Scientifically.
Let's see.
Are we?
Miss Glorious and Brittany.
Yeah.
Last night, the apartment caught on fire. Oh no! The guy was passed out drunk. His girlfriend wasn't home. My son
Trigger warning.
was passed out.
Oh, I did fast forward right there. This is still pinned. It's just.
I got cords everywhere. Brittany. There's DJ. Yeah, I was wondering where you at. There you are. DJ, is the camera open? I don't know if I turned it on or not.
What? What do you mean?
Let me see if I got what manager mods I have.
Oh. What, managing mom?
Crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Agreed.
Agreed.
DJ, thank you so much. That'll work. That'll work.
So I think this person's preparing
Alright, give me a second.
to have somebody deal with her perhaps napping for a little while,
Oh, please.
in my opinion. We've been holding. Alright, all the P's. Held them all. Hello?
Alright, sorry about that, guys.
What is happening?
Okay. Some of the things y'all say is just
What?
thank you so much.
But you're live streaming.
Reality was tonight. Hopefully she can come hang out. I know she